Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to take the time to show you a short and simple and easy tutorial using polymer clay. Today I will be showing you how to make these chocolate chip cookies in a jar. Isn't they just so adorable? So the glass bottles I will be using in today's tutorial are ones I got from Hobby Lobby, and there are 8 in a bag, and they're about the size of half of my finger. If you can see that, there you go. It's about half of my finger down to the bend. That's how big they are. And here is the tag. It's gadgets and gizmos. They're glass bottles, 8 pieces. And there's the sizes and ounces. There's the price, $3 from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so we're going to start out with a light brown or cookie colored clay. I just took some brown that I had and added a little white to it. And to make the cookies, I rolled out a really huge piece of this clay like this. Just real simple, and then I cut a little slice off, and then I could shape it in my hand, or you could put it on the paper and just press down so it looks like a baked cookie, because they spread when they're baked. Okay, so there's that. Now for the next step in our little cookie, we're going to take a toothbrush and tap to give it texture. That also helps it look more realistic. Okay, now that we have textured it, we're going to take a darker brown that I have here. I added some black to my brown to make it look like chocolate. And we're going to take tiny pieces off and roll them out even smaller. These will be our chocolate chips. So we're just going to take tiny pieces, and you can roll them in your fingers and then place them on your cookies. It's very simple, guys, and very easy. And I had this idea that I could make a cookie jar because my kids love cookies, and I thought, how cute would it be if I could make a jar of cookies out of polymer clay? This is so easy. And this is what I did this morning. Now you just take and place them randomly. They don't have to be in a certain place or have certain spaces apart, whatever. You can make them any size you want. I prefer tinier. That way they can have some space. Sometimes they get stuck together, but not all cookies are perfect. That's why we love them so much, right? They don't have to be perfect. Alright. I'm going to place a few more in. I want one on the side over here. Like that. And there we go. There's our cookie. And it's so hard to see because it's so tiny. But this is to show you the size comparison. It's about the size of my fingernail. Excuse my fingers. But isn't that just adorable? These are a little bit bigger than normal. Usually about half that size, but it's fine. Any size you want. I'm shaking. Too much coffee. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make these cute little cookies. Look at that. Just so adorable. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you next time. Bye.